Hello and Happy New Year, and welcome to the first $1,000 gaming PC build of the month for January 2023. My name is Corey with NewbComputerBuild.com. January, the first month of the year. You might, Boxing Days just passed us, and there were some hardware deals out there. However, overall prices have gone down. This is good news for if you've been wanting to plan on build for a PC in a while, a PC build for a while, or if you're just jumping into it. Well, now's a great time. The $1,000 build from the one that we put together here. This one's geared towards those that really want to game, well, for one, that have a budget of $1,000, and two, that want to game kind of at extreme settings at 1080p resolutions, and all the way into higher settings at 2K resolutions or 1440p, maxed out in game. So this is that build for you, if this is what you're looking for. So let's get started with the $1,000 gaming PC build of the month for January 2023. CPU we have this month is the Intel Core i5-12400F, $179.99. Cooler, we're including the stock cooler at the moment, which is the Intel Laminar RM1 cooler. Prices included. Motherboard is the Gigabyte B660M DS3H motherboard at $109.99. The graphics card we have this month is a Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 Ti at $409.99. Memory we have is kit of Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB kit. 3600 megahertz kit, $57.99. Storage we have is the Crucial P2 500GB NVMe SSD at $47.99. Power supply is the Be Quiet Pure Power 11 FM 650 watt power supply, $107.99. And then the case to bring it all together is the NZXT H510 mid tower case for $59.99. Comes in well under $1,000 at $973.93 right now. So like I said at the beginning, prices have gone down, and I think this build was in December a little over $1,000. So, and with roughly the same hardware, so prices have gone down. With respect to power supplies, they've actually gone up a little bit, but everything else has gone down to compensate anyway. So not the biggest deal, not the biggest deal overall. However, that does it for the $1,000 build for January 2023. If you have any questions, comments, visit the site, newbcomputerbuild.com. And I'll try to get back to everybody that has any questions as they're trying to build their PC. Or best of luck building your next gaming PC build. Until next month, goodbye.